I'm going to teach you how to sort your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, by custom fields, or randomly. Let's jump right in with where this happens. Sorting in ClickUp is done from a list, so start by opening the exact list you want to organize. From your workspace, head into your spaces, dive into the folder that contains your work, and open the specific list you want to tidy up. This keeps your changes focused on the tasks you're currently viewing. Once your list is open, look to the top right corner of the list view for the sort icon. It looks like a pair of up and down arrows. This is your control center for ordering tasks. Click it to open your sorting options. Now choose how you want your tasks arranged. If you want to organize things alphabetically, select task name and then pick A to Z for standard alphabetical order, or Z to A if you want to reverse it. This is great when task titles follow naming conventions, like feature names or client names, and you want everything lined up predictably. If you'd rather sort by a custom field, select the field you care about. You'll see your available custom fields listed, such as priority, budget, estimate, or any custom values you've set up. After choosing the field, decide whether ascending or descending makes the most sense. Ascending typically moves smaller numbers, earlier dates, or lower ranked values to the top, while descending does the opposite. For example, sorting by priority descending can place your highest priority tasks first, and sorting by due date ascending can show the soonest deadlines at the top. This gives you a quick visual hierarchy that matches how you work. And if you want to shake things up for brainstorming or evenly distributing attention across tasks, choose random. This instantly reshuffles the tasks without favoring names or values, which can help you break out of ruts when everything starts to look the same. After you've made your selection, click Apply. Your tasks will reorder immediately based on what you chose, so you can confirm the change right away. If the result isn't what you expected, simply reopen the sort menu and try a different option until the list reflects your preferred view. That's it. Fast, flexible, and tailored to the way you think. And that's how you order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, by custom fields, or randomly. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical ClickUp tips.